Welcome to this explainer. We're diving straight into an absolutely incredible blueprint for tomorrow, the UPLAKYASH AI Tech Vision. Inspired by the ideas of UPLAKYASH Ball, this is a roadmap showing exactly how artificial intelligence, innovation, and leadership are going to build a brilliant new world. So, if you've ever dreamed of a future filled with robotics, glowing neon smart cities, and everyday students becoming AI heroes, you are in exactly the right place.
Just imagine a neon-lit, high-tech world driven by one super powerful motto: dream big, build smart, lead the future. Now, this isn't just some catchy phrase, right? It's the core philosophy of this whole vision. It basically means that every single student out there has the potential to become a visionary leader. You really don't have to be a tech expert today to shape tomorrow. You just need a bit of curiosity and a whole lot of imagination.
Here's our mission log for today. We'll be unlocking 5 key levels: the Futuristic Tech Toolkit, building the smart world, leadership and ethical AI, starting your future business, and finally, how to lead the future.
All right, let's jump right into level 1, the Futuristic Tech Toolkit, where we master the tools of tomorrow.
To build our ultimate smart city, we absolutely have to start with artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of AI as the super intelligent brain that powers all our future systems. It's basically technology that lets machines do things that normally require human intelligence. And here's a crazy fact: AI can process millions of data points in the literal time it takes you to blink. It's already working behind the scenes on your phone, but its potential for the future is just massive.
But how do we actually talk to this intelligent brain? Well, we use coding languages, specifically Python. And fun fact, it was actually named after a comedy group, Totally Not the Snake. UPLAKYASH's vision points to Python as the ultimate beginner-friendly language. It's super simple to read, yet incredibly powerful. Honestly, if you want to be a creator in this futuristic world, coding is your master key.
The really magical part is seeing what you can actually create once you pick up the basics. You aren't just typing out boring lines of text, you're building real interactive systems. You can create your very own AI chatbots, personalized study assistants to help you ace those exams, educational platforms, or even software that handles all your boring chores. It's literally like having digital superpowers. Alongside coding, we've got 3 more essential gears in our toolkit. First, robotics, which automates tasks in the physical world, from futuristic hospitals all the way to deep space. Then we have cloud computing, which stores global data and keeps the whole future internet running smoothly. And, of course, cybersecurity, because in a totally connected world, cybersecurity is the digital armor that protects your personal data from threats and keeps our neon networks completely safe.
Now that our toolkit is packed, let's move on to the next level: building the smart world, and see how this technology actually transforms daily life.
Picture this. You walk into a classroom, but it feels like stepping straight into a sci-fi anime. Welcome to the smart classroom of the future. Learning here is 100% personalized. You've got virtual tutors guiding your specific path, and AI study assistants ready to give you instant help the exact moment you get stuck. Add in interactive smartboards bringing lessons to life, and a system that tracks your progress so you never fall behind. Pretty cool, right?
But this intelligent design doesn't just stop at school. It expands outward, creating these sprawling, interconnected smart cities. Imagine stepping out of that classroom into a world with intelligent, automated transportation that perfectly times your ride home. Or imagine AI healthcare support, where smart systems help human doctors diagnose illnesses faster and more accurately than ever before. This is the cinematic, large-scale future that UPLAKYASH's vision is preparing us for.
But to manage all this incredible power, we arrive at the most crucial part of the vision: Level 3, Leadership and Ethical AI. It's the human heart of the machine. Notice the vital balance we absolutely need here. On one side, we have raw technical skills, coding, cloud systems, cybersecurity. But honestly, those are totally useless and sometimes even dangerous without the other side, human skills. We're talking about leadership, communication, teamwork, and ethics. You could build the absolute smartest AI in the world, but without a human heart to guide it, you won't solve real human problems.
And this is exactly where you come in. True technological power requires a really strong sense of responsibility. Future AI systems must be designed ethically to genuinely help people and improve society. As AI grows more powerful, the creators, which means you, the young innovators, have a massive role to play. It's totally up to human leaders to make sure these intelligent systems are safe, fair, and act as heroes for humanity rather than just cold, unfeeling machines.
Okay, with our tools mastered and our ethical compass set, let's unlock the next phase:
starting your future business. We're taking ideas and turning them into real impact.
I know it can feel pretty overwhelming to think about creating a tech company, but building a startup is really just a step-by-step journey. First, you just start with a curious, small idea. Second, you learn the basics of coding and AI. Third, you practice by building small technology projects. And finally, you take those projects and launch an impactful startup business. Seriously, every massive, world-changing company out there started with just one curious student.
For a really great example of what this looks like in practice, let's look at UPLAKYASH own vision for a future tech company. The whole goal here is to build tools that directly guide and empower the next generation. We're talking about innovative AI learning platforms, smart educational tools, and systems that actually provide real career guidance to students. It even includes AI business assistants. It just goes to show that a great startup idea doesn't just make money, it solves real problems and helps people grow.
Well, we've reached the final level of this explainer. The blueprint is officially being handed over to you. It's time to lead the future. Your mission begins now.
To survive and truly succeed in this fast-paced, high-tech world, you've got to equip yourself with some core hero traits: discipline, creativity, problem-solving, adaptability, and continuous learning. Since technology literally never stops evolving, it means you can never stop adapting. Talent is great, for sure, but discipline and a serious commitment to continuous learning, that's what will actually get you to the finish line.
There's a core philosophy that perfectly captures the entire message of the UPLAKYASH AI Tech Vision. Technology changes the world, but vision and determination create the future. See, machines, code, AI, they're just tools. By themselves, they don't make the future. It's the determined visionary leaders, the human beings with the big dreams, who actually create the world of tomorrow.
So, as you navigate the endless possibilities of tomorrow, let this core philosophy drive you forward. Never stop learning, never stop improving, never stop building your future. Every time you learn a new line of code, every time you solve a complex problem, you're laying down another glowing brick in the smart city of your future.
As we wrap up this explainer on this incredible AI vision, I want to leave you with one final, exciting challenge. You've seen the blueprint, you know the tools, you understand the ethics and the human element required to lead. The tools of the future are sitting right in front of you, just waiting to be picked up. So my question to you is, what will you build?